Today while streaming YouTube I found cartoon animation videos that got millions of views in a few days and also got subscribers in thousands and millions. So I decided to create the cartoon video. So after doing so much research I found a solution to create the cartoon character animation with the help of the AI website. So in today's video, I will show you how to create cartoon characters animation video. What's up friends, how are you? In today's video, I'll show how to create a cartoon video animation with the help of AI website. So without wasting time I'll show you how to create animation through your mobile. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Creating the animation video you have to visit the AI website called www.adobe.com and log into the website. Step number 1, click on Make Animation for YouTube. Step number 2, click on the size option. Step number 3, select the platform. Step number 4, select the background for the YouTube video. Step number 5, select the cartoon character for your YouTube video. And you can also resize your cartoon character. Step number 6, record audio or upload audio for your cartoon animation video. After completing all steps it will take some time in completing the process. After that, you can share the video. Or you can play that. In a few steps, your video is ready.